First off, I want to thank you all for having me here today. I am incredibly excited to speak to you about my upcoming Rotary exchange. To start off with a bit about my background. I was born in Christchurch in 2011 and moved to Auckland when I was about 1. And I've lived in Auckland ever since. I attended Michael Park School, a Steiner school, until year 6 when I moved to Dilworth. Dilworth is quite different from your average high school for several reasons. We have the unique opportunity to board at school. All our meals are provided by the school. And every student is there on a full scholarship. Living and learning in a boarding environment has already taught me a lot about living with others and adapting to new routines. Skills that I know will be incredibly useful when I go overseas. When I'm not studying, I like to keep myself pretty busy. I absolutely love sports of any sort, and I'm also very passionate about music. Whether I'm practicing my 2 instruments, the guitar or viola, or just listening to my favorite artists, music is a big part of my life. I also really enjoy reading and sitting down for a good board game. At home, I am the middle child of 3 brothers, with an older brother who is 17 and a younger brother who is 9. My family originally comes from Taiwan, and I've been fortunate enough to visit them many times. These visits have even allowed me to experience school life in Taiwan. Having a Taiwanese background while growing up in New Zealand has given me a great appreciation for different cultures, which is a big reason why I wanted to go on an exchange in the first place. In a few more months, I'll be heading out to Germany for a 3-month exchange. I'll be living in a small town called Winster in Germany, near the city of Cologne. My host brother is named Tobias. He is also in 10th grade and has a younger brother in 7th grade. We have already found some common ground, as both of them are also really into sport, something I'm looking forward to doing. Over the course of this 3-month exchange, there are a few key things that I hope to get out of the experience. First and foremost, I can't wait to meet new people and make my lifelong friends around the world. I'm really looking forward to joining in with local sports and activities in Neuendeutsch, as I think this will be the best way to connect with people my own age. I also want to experience the cultural differences and similarities between Germany and New Zealand to develop a much broader worldview. It is easy to get used to life in New Zealand and the way we do things, so I'm looking forward to having my perspective changed and challenged. I want to learn about their history, their local traditions, and their values. I hope to return home not with just great memories, but as a more open-minded and globally aware person. During the past few weeks, I've also really enjoyed learning some German phrases. Very basic ones, of course, but still. And a major goal of mine is to further develop my fluency while immersed in the language locally. Finally, traveling overseas will teach me crucial independent skills while allowing me the amazing opportunity to share my own Kiwi and Taiwanese culture with the people I meet. I think that by sharing our different backgrounds, we will find that we have a lot more in common than we thought, which is exactly what a Rotary exchange is all about. Thank you again for this wonderful opportunity, and thank you for your time today.